Alright, we just got the new Speed Bandit here. Now as you can see, I have a wide selection of American style helmets here. And let's go ahead and change this windshield, okay, because I already have. And if you're wondering what color I went with, you could look over here, and then you could look over here, and you could also look back there. And you could probably guess what color I went with. Now this one comes locked in when you get it, so make sure you push this lock down, because this always comes locked straight out of the box. So then you would gonna have to move this, slide this up, so you could get to the locking mechanism back here over to the side. This is really difficult to get out. It's not want to let go. Alright, so there's the face shield. Once again, toolless shield removal. This shield is the same shield for the Ghost Bandit. So if you're wondering what face shield, visor shield would fit, same one as the Ghost Bandit. You really push it. It's difficult. You really have to crank down on it. It's a little scary, I know, but this is basically the only way to kind of put it on there. You don't want to be so violent with it. And that's pretty much it. Give it a good squeeze. And that's installed. So to install it, you have to be violent. Give it a good squeeze. And there it is. That's the how to install the shield on a Speed Bandit, and that's the same way you install it on the Ghost Bandit, right over there. So that's the same way. Alright, so thanks for tuning in. That's the how to install windshield on your Simpson Bandit helmet. Stay tuned for the review. Later.